Good morning, it is day 3 here at MACH 2018 and today's show is all dedicated to NCMT. Of course, on Monday we were with MACH, Tuesday DMG Mori, today NCMT and Thursday Star GB. So Mark, what brands do NCMT produce?
Well, they represent some big names in the market from a UK perspective. Makino, which is very much high-end, ultra-precision, Akuma, MACH and Blue Photon, which is a work holding solution. These guys are at the highest level of applications in the UK.
And shortly we're going to see Paul take a little tour around the stand to whet your appetite. Now, speaking to Dave Burley yesterday, he was saying about some of the products on the stand and how he can really showcase the revolutionary technology. And their apprentices is a massive deal for this company. And all the demos on the stand are all made by their own in-house apprentices. So enjoy your little tour with Paul.
So yeah, I'm going to whet your appetite to what you're going to see or could see if you came to NCMT's stand today. First machine, this is an absolute beauty, this one, Akuma Multus U3000. James, just tell us a little bit about what people can see if they come here today to look at this machine.
The main sort of attraction on this machine today is that we're showing power skiving, which is a high-speed gear manufacturing method. It's pretty new to the market, and it's quite a niche thing for this style of machine.
Some machine, isn't it? Twin spindle, B-axis, absolutely fantastic. Right, let's move over to this, that was mill turn, or turn mill. Now we're on to 5-axis. Ben, give us a couple of seconds on this Akuma machine here. What are people going to be seeing?
This is a new full 5-axis machine from Akuma. It's got a very powerful spindle and high torque, which allows it to take big cuts quickly. It's also a very accurate machine because it's got 5-axis auto tuning. It's also got thermal compensation.
It looks very good. When I was talking to Richard Turner a couple of weeks ago, he said that this machine actually comes with a dribble tray, like that one. Okay, as we work our way down the stand, we've obviously got more Akuma machines, left and right, various specs. This Akuma Genus, I know this is a new machine that's on the show here as well this week. You're going to love this one. This is a Makino DA300. Now, I'm told that this machine, well, it's incredibly fast. Andrew, what can engineers expect to see today on this Makino?
Okay, so we're cutting a small aluminium box, basically, 5-axis, lots of 5-axis fast motion.
How fast is it?
It's 60 metres travel, and we've got 50 metres.
Aren't you doing something like drilling so many holes in a second or something?
Yeah, we did 20 holes in 8 seconds, yeah, using the new GI drilling function from Makino.
Superb, superb. And this is obviously fed here by this cell row automation.
Yeah, this machine's designed with automation in mind, so yeah, we're showing this. We can put anything in front though.
I bet it's been a highlight, hasn't it, for some engineers this week coming to see this?
It's been fantastic, yeah, great so far.
Good stuff, okay. And then on to EDM. Morning, Lynn, how are you doing? So let's talk about EDM. This is what you can also see here on the NCMT stand. It's Stephen, just give us a few seconds on what engineers can see here from Makino.
NCMT are showing the Makino wire and EDM from Makino. It's a high-end product, and on the stand we are showing the heat technology, so it'd be worth coming to see.
Excellent, good stuff. So there we have it, that's EDM as well. Now we're obviously going to be going into more detail on all of these products today, so you need to keep tuned to the channel throughout the day. So we're here, MACH 2018. This is Wednesday and we're on the NCMT stand.